So how does gaseous exchange take place? You look at this image. This is the bronchiole. It ends in an alveolus. You see, they all look round, like small, small balloons or air sacs. Okay, so when you take a closer look, this is how it looks like. It's very nice. You see, there's supposed to be an interstitium here, small space over here before the capillary. All right, so oxygen goes into the capillary to enter the red blood cell. It will bind to hemoglobin on the red blood cell, all right? And the carbon dioxide, which is bound to the hemoglobin on the red blood cell, will also diffuse out, all right, and go back out. So this is what it looks like. Okay. So this is just another this one I've detailed it, I've written it down. So oxygen enters, goes through the nasal and oropharynx, gets to the larynx, the trachea, right and left main bronchus, the bronchioles, the alveoli, diffuses into the capillaries, then oxygen goes in, carbon dioxide out.